Hello everyone, I'm the Vortex and welcome to this brand new episode of Discord.js bot. Today I'll be showing you guys how to start your bot on your Windows startup. So first thing first, you'll want to open your startup folder menu, and to do this you'll press the Windows key R and you'll type shell 2. Startup, just that, and then you'll press enter, and there you go, you're in the startup folder. And we won't do anything in it for now, so we're just gonna chuck it along here. There. Now you'll want to go to your bots folder, and as you can see here I have my JavaScript file, and you'll want to create a new text file. Doesn't matter how you name it, so I'm going to keep it blank. You go open it, you're going to type @echo new line. You're going to select the directory of your bot. So to do that, I simply click on the bar right here, I copy, and then I'll type here cd paste, and what it does is it will in a command prompt it will open at the directory, and then you'll want to do node spice.js and pause. What pause does is it will simply stop the program if it crashes, but it will not close the command prompt. So pretty nifty if you want to see what are the mistakes you made. And that's pretty much it. So now you're gonna do file, save as. You're gonna select on that little bar here and click on all files type. You're gonna change the name. You can name it whatever you want, so I'm gonna name it but start, and you want to add .bat, and what it will do, it will save this beautiful little batch command right here, and if you double click it, it will trigger your antivirus and it will open up your bot. So there you go, Spice is ready. We're going to close that, we don't need this. And now you're gonna do send to your desktop, and it will create, there you go, a shortcut to your batch file. So if I run this, it works fine too. Boom, there goes, Spice ready. That's great. And now you'll see, remember why I opened this? You're simply gonna slide the shortcut into the startup folder, and you're pretty much done. So now when your Windows will start again, after a reboot or something, the bot will automatically launch. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. Peace.